What if I told you that you can make $500 a month online using artificial intelligence, without coding, without experience, and starting today? AI isn't just the future. It's already changing how people make money online. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through 3 powerful side hustles you can start right now with AI tools and show you real examples of how people are making money with them. Let's dive in. First up is freelance writing with ChatGPT. Every business online needs written content, blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, even ad copy. Instead of spending hours writing, ChatGPT can generate professional content in minutes. Here's the money part. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and search for blog writing services. You'll see hundreds of freelancers charging between $20 and $50 for a single article. Some even make $100 for longer SEO-optimized posts. Let's do quick math. If you write just 10 short articles a month at $30 each, that's $300 already. If you scale to 15-20 articles, you're easily at $500 or more. The secret is learning prompt engineering. That means asking ChatGPT the right questions, like, write a 1,000-word blog on healthy eating in a friendly tone with SEO keywords. Once you master prompts, you can deliver quality work fast and build long-term clients. Next up is print on demand with Canva AI. If you think design is hard, this tool makes it simple. With Canva's AI features, you can generate logos, t-shirt designs, social media templates, and even printable planners in minutes. Now, how does this turn into money? Let's check Etsy. Search for digital planners or printable stickers. You'll find sellers with thousands of sales. Each planner sells for around $10.15. And many shops make $500 to $1,000 per month just from simple digital products. The beauty of digital downloads is that you create the product once, upload it, and it sells over and over again. Pure passive income. Here's the step-by-step. End-to-end use Canva AI to create 5-10 designs or planners. Open a free Etsy shop. Upload your designs and set prices between $5 and $15. And promote your shop on Pinterest or TikTok to get traffic. And if just 50 people buy your $10 planner each month, that's $500. And once your shop grows, the income can scale way higher. Finally, we have YouTube automation with InVideo AI or Pictory. This is perfect if you don't want to show your face on camera. These tools can take your script and automatically create professional videos with stock footage, images, and even voiceovers. Why does this work? YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and video is the most consumed type of content. There are entire channels making thousands of dollars each month from ad revenue, without ever filming themselves. For example, motivational shorts channels, tech explainers, or news commentary channels often run on AI-generated content. Once they reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, they get monetized and start earning from ads. Let's imagine you create 1 short video per day with InVideo AI. That's 30 videos per month. Each video gets just 1,000 views. With basic ad revenue, that could already bring in $300, $500 per month. And if one video goes viral, the income multiplies fast. The step-by-step. So there you go. 3 proven ways to make $500 a month online with AI tools. Bonus. Did you know you can even clone your own voice with AI at 11labs.io? Now I want to hear from you. Which AI tool would you try first? Comment below. And if you found value, share this video with a friend who needs AI side income. More AI plus business hacks every week. Subscribe now.